All right, we left off working on this front grill section here, putting these uprights in. And I just kind of tacked them in at the end of the last episode, but as you can see, sorry, I've gone ahead and welded some spears on there. Brought those forward, took my porta band and cut some points out. And I welded them in and then came in with my die grinder and kind of shaped them and cleaned them up a little bit. Obviously, it's not perfect. I am just a guy in a shop with a grinder and a porta band and a hand-me-down welder. So, but looks pretty good. I want to move on to the hood. I think the grill, we're pretty good here, other than I have to make the headlight surrounds and I got to work on these end pieces. But I need to run and pick up signals so that I can fabricate some type of mounting behind these for the signals, and I want to figure out how I'm going to run everything before I jump into this part here. Plus the headlight grill pieces are a separate piece that we'll bolt on. So yeah, we're going to wait on that. I want to come up here to the hood. I would like to make the piece that goes around here and the piece that goes up there on the side, and maybe even put the fake exhaust pipes on there. I don't know. We'll see how far we get. I do still have to make the back of this section here, but I got to finish grinding that. I finished grinding up to where as far as I could reach. I can't reach that. My arms aren't long enough. Yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm going to try to cut some pieces out of this here. I kind of just been jumping ahead, not really showing the fabrication part. If you guys want to see that part, comment down below and tell me that you actually want me to video when I'm cutting and grinding and you want me to show more of that stuff instead of more of finished project. You let me know. Trying to use my time wisely, All right, so typical, fabrication technique. CAD, cardboard aided design. Yep. Scissors, straight edge, tape measure. Not complicated. We need to cut a little surround piece for here and obviously for the other side as well. So I did that, transfer this over to steel. I'll cut it out with a plasma cutter, clean it up with a grinder, and figure out how exactly I'm going to weld it, because I want clean lines. We might just drill a bunch of holes and do like a whole bunch of spot welds. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm going to do the same thing with cardboard for this piece up here that I have to make. All right, this is what we're doing. All right, so transfer the cardboard to the steel. This piece of straight edge here I'm going to clamp on with these clamps to drag the plasma cutter along so that we get a nice straight line. So I'll line that up with a little gap so that the plasma cutter can reach it. Kind of self-explanatory here. And it's going to take a minute because I got to do it on every single straight edge to pull straight lines with the plasma cutter and get these pieces cut out. All right, I gotta cut these squares out of this piece. This is the piece that goes on the side. I'm just taking my drill here and poking holes in the corners so we get nice rounded corners when I go and cut them out. I'll have to come back with the die grinder, obviously, and clean them up a little bit. Alright, well, as you can see, I kind of jumped ahead on the hood here a little bit and we got some details knocked out. I didn't get to this back section here yet. We still got to do that to kind of finish this hood piece. We got to do the back of this section here, get a little finish up welding stuff, finish up grinding to do before we can do this boxed piece here on the back of the hood. There's some cleanup stuff to do here on the back of the section. And then we're pretty much done with this hood section. The bumper, we got to make the headlights surrounds, but other than that, the bumper is pretty much done as far as design work is concerned. If you're a regular, you've probably noticed I haven't been hitting my weekly upload schedule. I try to upload every Tuesday or Wednesday, and I haven't been hitting it. That's just me being honest with you guys.
we talk about mental health on this channel, so I can't shy away from it. The winter blues, seasonal depression has been kicking my ass the last couple weeks. If you live up north, then even if you live down south, there's quite the cold front hitting the country right now. And I went from, the Freedom Factory in Florida back to here, and it has been below 10 degrees since I got back. So more than a week. It's looking like it's going to stay that way. I think the end of next week, we might get up into the 20s. Sweet. Not. Yeah, so the sun barely comes out. It's dark. It's gloomy. It's ridiculously cold. I'm struggling. Might be time for me to move to Florida. I don't know. I just haven't had the drive necessary to work on the projects and film at the same time to show you guys. So like this, I jumped ahead. I didn't even have the camera on for most of the fabrication. I kind of just slid through it and got some stuff done. I mean, it looks okay it looks equivalent to how I'm feeling. Oh, you just gotta laugh sometimes. I try, you hear me say all the time, keep moving forward. And I just, some days are easier than others, but you gotta keep moving forward. Just push through it, keep moving forward. I mean, on the days I do come out here, I might struggle to get out here, but usually once I get moving a little bit, I'm okay. I just gotta get moving. I gotta get out here and I gotta start on the project and get moving forward. And sometimes that's a struggle. Sometimes things just want to fight you. Part of it's probably how you're feeling is causing some of that strife, but you just gotta battle through it, keep moving forward. All right. I should make that a t-shirt for the merch store. A keep moving forward t-shirt. That's a good idea. Maybe I'll go inside and do that. Maybe I'll go inside and design a t-shirt. Keep moving forward t-shirt. Yep. But anyways, I'm going to keep trying over here. I'm going to keep moving forward. I'm going to, try to get some more done on this car. We still got a long ways to go. Yeah. Maybe I'll swing by the steel place, get some quarter round, and we can start shaping in these door panels or something. I got to make the exhaust for this side too. So I got to figure out what I did with all my exhaust pieces and maybe move in that direction too. I also got to fill in the top of this fender. It's bothering me. The rest of this is good. I haven't done this panel for some reason. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. All right. We got the hood stuff in good shape. Front bumper's in good shape. So until next time, keep your head up. Keep it creative. And happy building. Jesus loves you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.